Hello there and welcome to the tax 1 of the Recurson project. In the previous video I solved the tax 1, which is this tax over here, where it's write a function that prints a string followed by a new line. So in that video you should have an idea of how you're going to approach this over here. So this is going to print the string the way you gave it to the function, and here we're to reverse it. So we'll give him a prototype here. You know where you're gonna put your prototype. A prototype is gonna be in the header file, and you're gonna create this file and you're gonna write your function. So without further ado, let's just get right to the code. So I've already done that, and there's the main. You can see I already had this here, and this file I already did the basic documentation. I included the other file, and this is the function, and I'm going to write the function, and that's my test file here. So this right here, that's my test file I'm going to use to test it. So now, I want to reverse the string that is being passed to the function. So how do I think I can do this? So the first thing I want to do is think about how recursion actually works. I know it works relatively with the stack, the work hand in hand for the stack. Keep on stacking something in the memory, do it again, stack it in the memory, do it again, so it's over and over again. So let's say I pass in the string hello, and I passed in the hello. I want to reverse it. So the reverse value is going to give me AOLLAH. So how do you think I can do this? So what if I pass in and it started stacking it at the bottom, where I have it starts stacking it at the bottom. I have H, and I have E, and I have L, and L, then O. So if I'm going to iterate over this over here without using the while loop, so how am I going to do it in such that it's going to do this over and over and over again and stack this in the memory? So as demonstrated earlier in the 4 stacks, these stacks over here, as demonstrated earlier, we printed it, then we asked this man over here to go over, and I made an error, and I also incremented it, and it starts skipping. That's to increment, so it starts skipping the one in the middle, so it goes for the one in the next 2 space. So now, since we already have an idea of that, so we're going to just do if. So this is going to be our base case, if s. So this means this Mr. here is going to go over this, go over it, and go over it again. So I'm just going to call this function here. So we're going to do some incrementing, but now it's not going to be outside. We're going to pass the increment in the function. So you already know what this is. So it means if there's Mr. over here, then I want you to go to the next. Character. Then once you're done with what you have written, that's if this condition is not met again. That's if this pointer here is pointing to a null character. When you differentiate, the value is a null character, then I want you to put char, which means I want you to print everything that you've piled and put on the stack. So I'm going to do this S. So it's gonna print back everything. So once that condition is not reached, just it's already at the end, and it's gonna come back and start printing out everything just like this. So it's just start printing it out. So this, I believe this how it looks like. So we have hello, we have hello, we have hello, hello, and we have who. So it's gonna start taking this back and taking it back, just like the factorial I explained to you earlier. I did it. So it's just gonna go back and start doing it, and that's a take. So the other example I made, I think that's a simpler way for you to understand. So you're gonna put this, then start printing it, print this out, print this out, print it out, print this out, and print it out. So let's see that in action. Since that is done, so remember, so if this over here is not pointed to null, then it's telling it, oh mister, I want you to go to the next one. So the next, that's x plus 1, then it's going to go to the next one. So it's going to check for O here. Okay, O is not equal to null, then go to the next one, go to the next one, go to the next one, go to the next one. So you can either write this, if this is not equals to, or you can try that out. If this is not equals to null, then do this over again. So, but I'm just going to stick with this, still almost the same thing. So I'm going to save it, and I'll try running it to see if we right. Hopefully it works, because I don't like seeing errors. Okay, let's wait for it to compile. Alright, that's done. Let's go. And boom, yeah, we have it. There we have it. It's reversed the string. You can see we have REKLAW, the space, the N, the O, the T, the L, the O, and the C with the space character. This is a new line character, rather, sorry. The new line character. So that's how it works. That's how you're going to reverse a string. You're going to find this useful in your future text. You're going to find this useful. Recursion, you're going to find recursion useful. So if you just spend more time, if you don't understand how this was done, you can just go over the video, or you check the previous video to understand better how Recurson works. Alright, that'll be all for this video. Can you see you in the next one? Have a great day.